Hello everyone, this is Joan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Eletta machine with us in the shop. And it came in for a few issues, mainly that the descaling on this machine was not working. That was being due to the water tank sensor actually going out, or losing its magnetism to the water tank. And so we replaced the sensor, and then we also replaced the mechanical valve on this machine, which is the upper part of the super automatic. This is in control of tamping and also pushing water through your machine to make a coffee. And now that we did all the servicing, we're just going to quickly test a single shot. We're just going to let it grind, and then it's going to move into tamping when you hear the motor move, as you can hear. And since we did replace the mechanical valve, we are also going to test the hot water, since the mechanical valve is kind of in charge of a lot of things when it comes to pushing water into your machine. But here's that shot for you. And we're using our test coffee, so if you don't see a lot of crema, don't worry about that. Once you get fresh coffee in there, it should fix. And then we're just going to put this milk pitcher there, and we are going to go into there, T-button. And so you get a steady stream of water going through your water wand. And then you can attach the steam function to this machine, but it wasn't brought with us, or it wasn't brought to us by the customer, so we can't test the steam, sadly. But that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.